Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Teacher Ethel Kates, and if you are new here, please don't hesitate to subscribe and like my page. Thank you guys, please support guys. So for today's video, we're going to unbox this IPON Challenge Alkansya 2023. And this one is actually 9 inches. I bought this one from Shopee for only 35 pesos each. Yes, you heard it. 35 pesos each. So very affordable and murang-mura lang talaga siya, di ba? And this one is actually fit for those people who are struggling on how to save money. So this is, I think this is a sign for you to save money. And anyways, we have our own ways on how to save money. So it's either through bank or through this IPON challenge, alkansya. So it's up to you guys. And here, let's go. I'm so excited, and we're going to have a review about this product. And ta-da! Let's go. And this one. This one, yes. So if nagtataka kayo guys, bakit apat yung binili ko? Kasi dalawa kaming gagamit ito. So this one guys, look. Yes. So as what I've said earlier, it's only 35 pesos and it's 9 inches na, diba? Son ka pa. And this one guys, what excites me the most is that there are lots of bilog-bilog in here, and then you're going to shade it every time you're going to save money. So there is something that you look forward every now and then, which is so exciting, diba? And here, and if you're going to complete this one, to complete this bilog-bilog, is that you're going to earn 76,000, or you're going to save at least 76,750. Diba? So instead of maglagwatsa ka dyan, maggastos ka dyan ng iba't ibang bagay na walang kabuluhan, so why not start saving money, right? Why not start save money for your future? So this one here, and as what I can see naman guys is that matibay siya, matibay. It's truly durable. Nice siya. And I so love, and I'm in love with this one. I'm in love with this one, right? This one. And thank you guys here, this one. So ano pang hinihintay nyo? Tara at mag-ipon na tayo. So thank you so much guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and support me all the way. Thank you guys. And yeah, share para mas marami pang tao na ma-invite nyo na mag-ipon instead of maggastos, di ba? For the future. Thank you so much guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much guys, and thank you. Bye-bye.